like American native, sort of Indian. Almost they worship Earth, Mother Earth. Also Japanese, the Shinto, very much sort of respect nature. This I think modern people should learn. Sometimes too much technology, and then sometimes we feel we are something controller of the nature. Finally, we humanity develop from nature. So nature is truly our mother. So we have to respect nature and we have to protect nature. So sometimes we a little bit sort of, I think you also have the same sort of experience when you live in a big sort of hotel at a big city. You see, you're a little bit sort of isolated from the nature. When you come this kind of place, the nature is something, you see, kind of very striking in our mind. So we also then feeling we are part of the nature. So these is a native, ancient sort of native Kasota, their cultural heritage. You see, they're quite close touch with nature. I think even if it's a modern sort of country, farmers, their life more closer with nature than factory worker. Clear. Then I think the important thing is the mental state. People who are working in big city and people who are working in farmland, I think mental state. People who are working in big city, you see, some kind of, how to say, a little bit isolated, less human sense of human companion, human community. Whereas in farmland, still, no matter how much mechanized farm system and modern facility, but still, you see, they have more sense of community. So therefore, you see, some my friend, Indian, and also some Europeans, they say the rate of suicide in big city, among the workers, more often. In countryside, farmers, less. Quite clear. You see, in the farmland, the sense of community there. So when someone passing through some difficulties, but still the sense of community, that give them hope. Big city, just salary, and become like part of mission, then the sense of community much less. I think some Japanese case, the factory worker, employer, employees, some close relations. So each employee, here, some Japanese, and no Japanese, you are Korean. Korean, you. Huh? Kasa?
Jami, Chinese.
Oh, foreign. 중국大陆. Oh, fine. So any Japanese? Oh, there. Oh, some Japanese. Arigato. Just one word. That I know. Whenever I reach Japan, It's a very good exercise, this. Do this every moment, every occasion. So very good exercise of that. Then one my critic to my Japanese brothers, sisters, you too much sorrow. Because of the formal way. I don't like that, really. You see, we should feel we are same human being. Whenever we meet people, completely relax, like that. So that's my secret. So when I give talk, a few people, or 1,000 people, or 10,000, 100,000, I have, you see, no differences. I feel I just is talking another human being. I never sort of consider myself I am something special. When I meet people, when I give talk, I never consider I am Dalai Lama. Nothing. Same, as I mentioned earlier. We are same. And that, when I sort of, because of the effort to see the other person's sort of nose. So we have different shape of nose and different size of nose. I think when we look face, generally we can distinguish Indonesian or Vietnamese a little bit like that. Then of course European like that. So except this small sort of different shape. Otherwise we all same human being. When I think we are same, I am same human being, then immediately, you see, I have no feeling of something because of the distance, the separation. If I too much emphasis, I'm Buddhist, I'm Tibetan, I'm Dalai Lama, then actually you yourself isolate from rest of the audience or people. These are artificial. The way we born, way we die, same. And while we alive, we want a happy life. We all have the right to be happy person, like that. So now, whenever I also they talk, now modern time, we are 21st centuries. Generally speaking, material development highly developed, and with that, materialistic sort of education also highly developed. But still, there are a lot of problems. Even those people who are highly educated, but very unhappy person, too much stress. Then those people, billionaire, very rich, as a human being, unhappy person. And then a lot of problems which we are facing. Actually, our own creation. Nobody wants a problem, but many problems deliberately created by human themselves. So something lacking, something wrong. That is, people always seeking happiness from outside. Not much pay attention about our inner potential.